Here I've got Alcatel 5V, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone by tapping on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, then click on power off and confirm it by tapping on OK. Once it's off, simply tap on power key and volume up key and hold them until you see the Alcatel logo. Wait a short while, and within a few seconds you will be in recovery mode. As you can see now, we enabled Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and then you can select each option by tapping on power key. So at first you have to select the language, in my case it's English, and then go down by using volume down key and pick wipe cache partition and select it by tapping on power key. Now go to yes and wait until all cache is wiped. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so now we can go back to the standard mode by rebooting system now. So simply click on power key and wait a short while until you're back in the standard mode, in the normal one. And that's it. As you can see, we are back in the standard mode. You can use your device normally. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.